Hi everyone, I'm Ellie and welcome back to my channel. If you're learning Chinese, one of the very first things you want to know is how to introduce yourself. It's something you can use right away, whether you are meeting a new friend, joining a class, or even traveling. In today's video, we'll go step by step and learn how to talk about who you are, where you're from, and what you do. So grab your notebook, get comfortable, and if you're ready, let's get started. Before we start talking about ourselves, we always begin with a greeting. When you want to sound polite or respectful, for example, when you meet a teacher, a boss, or someone you don't know well, you can say 你好, hello. This is the most common greeting in Chinese. It's polite and works in almost any situation. If you want to sound even more formal or show respect, you can say 您好. Here, 您 is the polite form of you. You can use this when speaking to your teacher, your boss, or an older person. For example, you can say 老师您好. Hello, teacher. You can also greet people depending on the time of the day. For example, 早上好, good morning, or 晚上好, good evening. These phrases are polite and natural, especially in more formal situations, like at school or at work. Now let's look at the informal greeting, the one you use with friends, classmates, or people you already know well. Instead of saying 你好, you can simply say hi. It's just borrowed from English, very casual and sounds friendly. So, for example, you can say, Hi, 小王, 最近怎么样? Hi, 小王, how have you been lately? Now that we know how to greet people, the next step in your self-introduction is to tell them your name. In Chinese, there are a few natural ways to say your name. And they're all quite simple. The easiest and most common way to say your name is 我叫. It means my name is. Let's look at these examples. 我叫安娜. My name is Anna. 我叫大卫. My name is David. This structure is easy and super common in daily life. Now, there is another way to introduce your name. You can also say 我的名字是. This literally means my name is. So, for example, you can say 我的名字是安娜. My name is Anna. Or 我的名字是黎明. My name is Li Ming. Sometimes when you introduce yourself, you might also want to tell people how they can address you. A good way to do that in Chinese is to say 你可以叫我. You can call me. This phrase is great when your name is long, formal, or maybe a bit hard for others to pronounce. You can also use this phrase to tell people the name you prefer to be called. For example, if you are in a friendly conversation, you can simply say 我叫凯瑟琳. 你可以叫我凯特. My name is Catherine. You can call me Kate. Now let's move on to the next part. How to talk about your age in Chinese. Sometimes after telling your name, you might want to share your age, especially in casual conversation or when introducing yourself in class. In Chinese, talking about age is simple. You can say 我 number 岁. It means I'm years old. The word 岁 means years old. And you can use this structure for any age. Just put the number before 岁. For example, 我20岁. I'm 20 years old. 我35岁. I'm 35 years old. 我18岁. I'm 18 years old. If you want to make your sentence sound a little more natural or more complete, you can add the word 今年, which means this year. So instead of just saying 我25岁, I'm 25 years old, you can say 我今年25岁, I'm 25 years old this year. After greeting people and saying your name and age, the next thing we usually talk about is where we are from or where we live. The most common way to say this in Chinese is 我来自, which means I'm from. For example, 我来自美国, I'm from the United States. 我来自加拿大, I'm from Canada. This sentence sounds polite and complete. It's perfect for formal introductions like in class, in a meeting, or at a language exchange. Now, there is another way that's even more common in daily conversation. 我是 place, 人. This literally means I'm a person from, but the natural English translation is I'm. For example, 我是日本人. I'm Japanese. 我是法国人. I'm French. If you want to tell where you live, you can say 我住在 It means I live in. For instance, 我住在纽约 I live in New York. 我住在伦敦 I live in London. You can combine these sentences to make your introduction more complete and say 我来自英国但现在住在日本 I'm from the UK, but now I live in Japan. That sounds really natural and fluent. It's how native speakers usually describe their background. After talking about your name, age, and where you are from, the next thing people often include in a self-introduction is their education, what you studied or where you graduated from. In Chinese, we can express this with a few simple patterns. If you want to mention which school or university you graduated from, you can say 我毕业于, which means I graduated from. Let's have a look at these examples. 我毕业于北京大学 I graduated from Peking University. 我毕业于牛津大学 I graduated from Oxford University. This sentence sounds clear and polite. It's perfect for formal introductions, interviews, or when you want to sound professional. If you want to say both what you studied and where, you can say 我在 school, 学 major. I studied at or I study at, depending on the context. For example, 我在北京大学学中文 I studied Chinese at Peking University. 我在纽约大学学市场营销 I studied marketing at New York University. The next thing you can share in your self-introduction is what you do for a living. In Chinese, there are several easy patterns you can use depending on how detailed you want to be. The simplest way is to say 我是 and then add your job title. It means I am. For example, 我是老师 I'm a teacher. 我是医生 I'm a doctor. This structure is short and perfect for everyday introductions. Then, if you want to mention where you work, you can say 我在 place 工作, which means I work at or in. Let's look at some examples. 我在学校工作 I work at a school. 我在银行工作 I work in a bank. Now that we've practiced all the key parts, greetings, name, age, place, education, job, let's put everything together into one short, simple self-introduction. 你好，我叫安娜，我20岁，我是英国人，我在银行工作。Hello, my name is Anna. I'm 20 years old. I'm from the UK. I work in a bank. And now let's look at a slightly longer, more advanced version. 你好，我叫凯瑟琳，你可以叫我凯特。我今年25岁，我来自英国，但现在住在日本。我在纽约大学学教育，我是老师，我在语言学校工作。Hello, my name is Catherine. You can call me Kate. I'm 25 years old this year. I'm from the UK, but now I live in Japan. I studied education at New York University. I'm a teacher and I work at a language school. And that's it. Now you know how to introduce yourself naturally in Chinese, from saying hello to sharing your name, age, where you're from, your studies, and your job. Try putting all of these sentences together to make your own self-introduction. You can record yourself speaking and listen again to check your pronunciation. It's a great way to practice fluency and confidence. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming Chinese videos. 谢谢观看. Thank you for watching. 下次见. See you next time.